So welcome to Embryo North Bank. We're on a social for one of our good friends, Simon. He's got the dubious honour of getting married in a few months. So we're here to have some fun, catch some fish, and yeah, this cracking 26.5 pound mirror to start things off. Let's hope there's a few more of these to come this trip. Embryo North Bank is a rectangular lake with a large mushroom-shaped island with a central hut, social area and barbecue. It has 10 swims, all with platforms allowing easy access beyond the marginal reeds, and it's perfect for a group of 6 to 8 anglers to enjoy some comfortable angling and enjoy a social at the same time. As I mentioned, we're here to celebrate Simon getting married, so sit back and enjoy a relaxed few days fishing, catching some stunning carp and plenty of fun along the way. You got locusts, crickets and mealworms. They're all produced for human consumption and they're lightly salted.
Lightly salted?
They're 1 in 5 a day.
No pepper? Yeah.
No, lightly salted.
No chilli flakes?
No.
Oh, a bit meaty.
Yeah. Taste back. Meaty.
They're not so good. The worms better.
You've done the worms.
Yeah, the worms are better. The worms are better.
Oh. Well, Simon had done his challenge and he'd eaten his locusts, crickets and mealworms, and that gave him first choice to swim. But the rest of us done the draw and we all went about setting up our camp and getting ready for the day ahead.
Jesus.
After several laps of the lake, we noticed there was a lot of fish out for swims 7 and 8, so we popped the drone up to have a look, and sure enough, most of the stock were there. Not long after, James was away. Keep coming a bit closer. Oh.
Hey.
Whee.
Well done, mate.
So the first fish of the session, lovely 24 mirror. We're here from a stag do social, and yeah, proving a successful trip so far. A few fish just drifting back into my area, and this lovely one decided to pick up my bait. Let's hope for a few more fish, and I'm going to put her back.
That night we partied away and we even had a few fish during the night, but by morning the sun was up and the fish were heading around back to swim 7, 8 and 9, and it was time to think about moving. For me, the move paid off into swim 9 and I had a lovely mirror to show for my efforts that afternoon.
Well, here on a size stag, and just had this one, 23 pound. So we've had a brilliant time down here. It's been a bit of a laugh, isn't it? And,
Yes. Yeah, it's been awesome. I didn't expect a commentary.
waited 3 days, and finally on my last cast I get my reward.